TeachAvenue.com is an innovative online learning platform to empower educators and content creators to build, market, and deliver their own online courses. The platform aims to offer a user-friendly interface, robust features, and comprehensive support to facilitate the creation of high-quality educational content. User experience and interface.teachavenue.com boasts an intuitive and visually appealing interface, making it easy for users to navigate the platform and access its various features. The homepage features clear calls to action, guiding users to explore course offerings, create their own courses, or sign up as students. Course creation tools. One of the key highlights of TeachAvenue.com is its suite of course creation tools. Educators and instructors would have access to a range of features to design and structure their courses, including customizable templates for course layouts, multimedia content integration capabilities, and assessment tools such as quizzes and assignments. Content management system. TeachAvenue.com offer a robust content management system, allowing course creators to upload, organize, and manage their course materials with ease. The platform supports various file formats, including videos, presentations, documents, and audio files, enabling instructors to deliver engaging and interactive learning experiences. Student engagement features. To enhance student engagement and interaction, TeachAvenue.com include features such as discussion forums, live chat support, and Q&A sessions. These tools would facilitate communication between instructors and students, fostering a collaborative learning environment and providing opportunities for peer-to-peer interaction. Marketing and monetization options. TeachAvenue.com provide built-in marketing and monetization options to help course creators reach their target audience and generate revenue from their courses. This includes tools for creating promotional campaigns, tracking performance metrics, and integrating with payment gateways to facilitate secure transactions. Analytics and reporting. To enable course creators to track the performance of their courses and gain insights into student behavior, TeachAvenue.com might offer robust analytics and reporting functionalities. Instructors could access data on student engagement, course completion rates, assessment scores, and other relevant metrics to inform their instructional strategies and course improvements. Support and community. TeachAvenue.com would likely prioritize customer support and community engagement, offering users access to tutorials, documentation, and online forums where they can seek assistance, share best practices, and connect with fellow educators. The platform may also feature a dedicated support team to address user inquiries and technical issues promptly. Mobile compatibility. In response to the growing demand for mobile learning solutions, TeachAvenue.com may offer mobile compatibility, allowing students to access course materials and participate in lessons from their smartphones and tablets. A mobile responsive design would ensure a seamless and consistent learning experience across devices. In summary, TeachAvenue.com presents a comprehensive and user-centric platform for online course creation and delivery, catering to the needs of educators, trainers, and learners alike. With its array of features, intuitive interface, and commitment to quality and support, TeachAvenue.com aims to empower individuals and organizations to harness the power of online education to drive learning outcomes and professional development.